Hi, my name's Bill Patterson. I'm the State Manager for George Fisher in Victoria, South Australia and Tasmania, and we're here today to talk about the Cool Fit system, and we're primarily doing installation with the cutting and peeling tool and electrofusion welding. The cutting and peeling tool looks a little bit daunting, but it's because it's specifically made for each size, so the componentry there allows for quick and ease of adaptation to the cutter, so that you can peel and cut a piece of pipe quickly and efficiently, and allows you to then join it using the electrofusion process, which creates a homogeneous joint between the pipe and the fitting. The Cool Fit system is a system that doesn't corrode. It's lightweight. It allows your chillers to be energy efficient, as it provides a sort of a vapour seal and sealing around insulation around valves. The whole product is bonded with a pre-insulation from the inner and the outer, and once you put the job in, it's done. No post-lagging or mucking around with it. My favourite thing about it is that it's a elegant solution to post-lag systems, where all you have to do is do the correct process of cutting and peeling, join it together and walk away. Big time saver, and no need for hot works permits and things like that. So it's also a cost saving in that perspective with regards to labour and issues around welding and so forth.